Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Samsung Fold. You know, it's broken, right? It's been delayed and it's not producing any more Samsung Fold until they fix the problem. So today I'm going to explain to you why is this happening. So let's get the video going. The main reason is people try to spoil the screen protector, and that's it. Okay, so the screen protector should not be removed on the S10 Plus, or Galaxy Fold shouldn't be peeled off, shouldn't be even removed. There's a reason why the screen protector is there. All right, so this is the main reason why the Samsung Galaxy Fold is broken. Okay, but at the end of the day, it's very solid phone. There's no problem. This is a small portion why this is happening right now. That's it. All right, so subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. All right, bye bye, peace out.